In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop through arrays in Zapier. Looping through arrays can be incredibly useful for automating repetitive tasks and ensuring that each element in your list is accounted for. Whether you're new to Zapier or looking to refine your automation skills, this guide will walk you through every step you need to take. First off, head over to the Zapier website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a login button in the top right corner. Give that a click. Assuming you're using a Google account for simplicity, go ahead and sign in with your Google credentials. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on the Zapier homepage. From the homepage, locate the Create button and click on it to start setting up your new automation workflow, known in Zapier as a Zap. Once you've clicked on Create, proceed by selecting Zaps from the available options. In Zapier, a Zap is a blueprint for a task you'd like to do over and over with different software, so let's get started on creating one. Your first step here will be setting up a trigger. A trigger is an event in one app that starts your Zap. Look for the trigger option and click on it. Next, you'll want to choose Schedule. Scheduling allows us to conduct tasks at recurring intervals, which suits our array looping perfectly. We're going to choose a weekly schedule, so when asked to choose an event, select every week. At this point, if prompted, you might need to sign into your account again. Just follow the prompts to do so. Once you've signed in, take an important step to ensure everything is working properly by clicking the Test function. Testing verifies that your triggers are set correctly and everything is running smoothly. Now let's move over to the Action section. Start by typing Airtable in the search bar, which will then show Airtable as an option. Click on it. We'll set up Airtable as it serves well for managing and interacting with data, particularly arrays. Choose an appropriate event to perform, which for our purposes will be Find Many Records Advanced. Just like before, if it asks you to sign in, do so without hesitation. And again, take advantage of the test function to verify that your Airtable configuration is correct, and everything ties back into the trigger you've set. With Airtable ready, we now add a step to loop through each item. Click the plus sign to add a new step, and start typing looping. When the loop tool appears as an option, click on it. Opt for Create Loop from Line Items, which is essential for working through your data array systematically. Finally, once you've set up your loop, hit test to ensure all configurations are working as they should. If everything is in order, conclude by clicking on Publish to activate your Zap. And there you have it, a smoothly functioning Zap that loops through arrays seamlessly. Congratulations and enjoy your newly automated process.